Introducing the Hunting Hydraulic Pipe Cutter. The Hunting Hydraulic Pipe Cutter is used for severing downhole tubulars. It can be run on both coiled tubing or jointed pipe. The hydraulic pipe cutter is run on the end of a positive displacement motor, which is used to provide rotation. Typically, it's run in conjunction with a high expansion anchor to ensure the pipe cutter does not move axially inside the well during the cut. When running on coiled tubing, the bottom hole assembly is made up to the coil tubing and pulled inside the lubricator. The minimum setup of a bottom hole assembly consists of a coil tubing connector, a motor head assembly, a hydraulic anchor, a positive displacement motor, and a hydraulic pipe cutter dressed with blades suitable for the size of tubulars being cut. Once the pressure control equipment has been tested and the well opened, the bottom hole assembly should be run in whole at a speed suitable for the well conditions, slowing down for any restrictions and checking the string weight regularly until the cutting depth is reached. The pipe cutter is typically run to a depth below the planned cutting depth before being picked up to the required depth for the cut to ensure the work string is in tension. Once at depth, fluid flow starts at a minimal rate to first engage the high expansion anchor. Hydraulic pressure created by flow through the bottom hole assembly moves pistons within the anchor, forcing the blades out until they grip the inner diameter of the tubing. At this point, weight can be set down to further engage the anchor and confirm it is set without the pipe cutter moving down the hole. As the flow rate is slowly increased, the motor will start to turn and the blades will extrude out from the pipe cutter, coming into contact with the inner diameter of the tubular that's being cut. Best results are achieved with a controlled and staged increase in flow rate, and it's important to closely monitor the pump pressure throughout the cut. Once the blades cut through to the exterior of the tubular, a pressure drop at surface may be seen to indicate the cut was successful. Once the cut is complete, the pumps can be shut down and the blades will retract back into the pipe cutter while the motor stops rotating. The drop in pressure will also allow the pistons in the anchor to retract, and once upward tension is applied, the anchor blades will retract back into their body, allowing the bottom hole assembly to be pulled out of hole. Following retrieval of the pipe cutter, the cut tubular can be removed from the well. For further information, contact our global sales team.